everyone, it's Julianne here for Trinity Stamps and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you a Trinity product close-up for the September 2020 Autumn Rainbow release. This is the brand new Blessings Bear stamp set and coordinating dies. This stamp set includes a total of 3 images, the first one being that adorable little bear holding his flowers, as well as 2 sentiment stamps. The coordinating dies include 3 dies in order to cut out the bear, as well as both of those sentiments that are included in the stamp set. I absolutely love this adorable bear. I think he's not only great for some fall cards for the upcoming season, but you could definitely use him for other cards as well, such as Get Well cards. So I'm going to stamp out the bear as well as both of those sentiments onto some white cardstock using some Memento Tuxedo black ink, so that way you can just see how cute this stamp set is. Once I have all of those images stamped out with a nice solid black outline, I'm then going to temporarily adhere the coordinating dies down to my images, and I'm going to run those each through my die cutting machine. And you can see here just how adorable that cute little bear is. I absolutely love him, and I can't wait to create some cards with him, as well as using those sentiments. I just love when sentiments include their coordinating dies. I think that is such a nice added feature that all of the stamp companies are doing nowadays, but I definitely love these sentiments in this stamp set. I hope that you've enjoyed this Trinity product close-up for the Blessing Bear stamp set and coordinating dies, and I encourage you to check out the rest of the Autumn Rainbow release as well. Here I have some design team inspiration using this set, and I hope that it will spark some ideas of how you can use this stamp and die set as well. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe for even more design team inspiration. And as always, I hope you have a wonderful day and happy crafting.